two password managers trusted by millions. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, the popular and feature-rich LastPass, and on the right, Keeper Security, the ultra-secure vault for your digital life. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Let's quickly zoom out and see the categories we're going to break down. Think security. Hello, that's critical. Features. You know you want the cool stuff. Price and plans, because no one wants to blow their budget. Ease of use, because complicated apps are the worst. And market reputation, because trust matters when your digital life's on the line. Got all that? Nice. Let's jump in. First off, security. And honestly, this one's spicy. So, LastPass. On paper, it's got the right stuff. AES 256 encryption, multi-factor authentication, zero-knowledge architecture. You get the idea. Super legit. FIDO2? Yup. Regular security audits? Absolutely. But here's where things get messy. LastPass has had multiple data breaches in recent years. And no secret key protection? That's kind of awkward. Now, flipping to Keeper, this thing's a fortress. AES 256 with record-level encryption. Secret key protection, never been breached since launch. That's impressive. Transparent privacy policy, tons of third-party audits, no skeletons in the closet here. If you're thinking, which is safer? I'd lean hard into Keeper on this one. Winner, Keeper Security. Next up, features. Okay, LastPass gets you the essentials. Password generator, autofill, dark web monitoring, even password sharing. But only for premium folks. Recovery tools if you mess up. Still, some advanced goodies are behind a paywall, and free users, sorry, sharing's not happening. Keeper, though? Oh, and here's something cool. Encrypted messaging with Keeper Chat. Password generator and sharing for all, breach watch monitoring, developer APIs, emergency access. Business plans pack in all advanced features, which honestly feels more generous. The only quirk? Maybe encrypted chat isn't for everyone, but it's there if you're into it. Keeper's just super stacked in features. So, winner again, Keeper Security. All right, price and plans. So, LastPass, decent pricing for personal and family accounts. Sometimes you'll find a deal, but it's kind of random. Here's my beef. The family plan is mainly on higher business tiers. And discounts? Well, don't get too excited. They come and go. Keeper Security, now, they're on another level. Super clear pricing, competitive across the board, and you get the family plan free no matter the business tier. Students, healthcare workers, military, y'all get discounts, which honestly rocks. Only watch out for add-ons, which can creep up on your bill if you're not careful. But price-wise, Keeper's looking better. Winner, Keeper Security. Quick pause. Did you know Keeper Security is actually one of the only password managers out there with 0 reported breaches since launching? That's wild when you think about how many times companies get hacked out there. Ease of use. This one's important because if it's a headache, no one's using it. LastPass. Pretty intuitive, clean UI, extensions for browsers, slick mobile apps. Only hiccup? Some functions are locked unless you pay up. Keeper, though, matches with a clean look, and it's packed with powerful sharing and MFA options. But, real talk, advanced features could overwhelm basic users. If you just want something simple, you might have to dig around a bit. But overall, both are friendly enough. So I'm calling this one a tie. Market reputation. Okay, a bit of a drama here. LastPass. Look, it's a household name. Everyone's heard of it. Loads of enterprise and consumer fans. But, and here's the kicker, those breaches have really hurt people's trust. Now, contrast that with Keeper. No major incidents, reliably transparent, but smaller market share compared to LastPass. It's like not as famous, but it's got the squeaky clean record you want. For reputation, Keeper clinches it. When we map this out, like literally put the categories side by side, Keeper Security just keeps edging ahead on almost every front. The difference really jumps out, especially on security and reputation. So, now you've seen the ups, the downs, the quirks, even some drama. If you want peace of mind and top-tier features, Keeper's kind of the no-brainer. Sure, LastPass is popular, but those recent breaches, that's a heavy cloud if you care about privacy. Keeper Security just comes out ahead. Simple as that. Hope you found this battle useful. You want more deep dives like this? Hit subscribe so you never miss out. Got questions or want to see a different matchup? Drop a comment and let's chat.